author and international trainer, Nicholas Hill.
Interdependence is where you have a paradigm, a system that is neither independent or dependent, but it's both. It has its own independent, therefore, functionality, but it still relies upon the communication and relationship with other systems. So this is where you've got the individual at his or her desk who thinks independently, which means they've got the capability of making their own decisions. Yes? Yeah. They can practice autonomy, they are personally responsible, but they are also accountable to somebody or something else, which means that they can't do the job without the boss, the other team members. Now, Covey refers to this as interdependence. You being a dad and me being a dad knows exactly what dependence is referring to, and how the dad likes to get away and to retreat to his cave. Who am I referring to now? John Gray, men are from Mars, women are from Venus. Yeah. Now this is where John Gray talks about dependence and independence and the difference between the two. Any part with an interdependent function is a system within a system. You might even consider a system as being utterly automated. It can be automated and you can be independent, therefore, temporarily, but not long term, and not all things to all people, not all the time. There will be occasions, there will be times when you need to be independent. There will be occasions when the system itself needs to be independent. Where this is where we talk about or give the individual on your team the opportunity to go away and think about it without your involvement, because everyone has a need to exercise that autonomy. How can we get the team inspired and self-driven, self-motivated? Not just motivated by you, but self-motivated as well. And if they're self-motivated, it is one of the three aspects that we talked about earlier. Yeah. Independent, not dependent on your motivation, not interdependent, but now independent, meaning they're self-motivated. How do we do that? These are the conversations that we need to have.
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.